All right, here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip it around for a second. So people can, I'm about 10 minutes early, so I'll wait till people get on. Then I can adjust accordingly. All right. Hey everybody. Let's see if I can see if we got this figured out now. It says that I'm live now, so that's a bonus. I'm about 10 minutes early. I just want to make sure that everything is good to go. So it looks like I can, oh, it's really weird. Okay. Okay. So I can see everybody. I'm turning on the live notifications so I can see everybody's comments. Hey Daryl. How you doing? How's the weather there? Okay. Like I said, I'm a bit early, so just kind of bear with us. Just want to make sure it was going before we went live with the paint demo. In the meantime, I'm going to make sure that my paints are of good consistency. Well, it looks like this one has, says that it's still live, but I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Still there, I think. Everybody, whoever jumps on, give me a wave or let me know you're still here or coming on. I have no idea what to talk about, so. I think that's good. I can't seem to get any comments coming up for some reason on this. So that's, like I said, that's why I'm on here early.
For them to come online.
Yeah, no, it was working and then it stopped. It says that I'm still here, so that's a bonus. Can you get on the live and see if there's anybody commenting? Because it seems to freeze.
Okie dokie.
Or see who's online or... Maybe if I get out of it and went back in it or something. You see me?
I lost what I got here. Okay. Watch party?
I guess so, yeah. It says there's one person on the live feed.
No watch party.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we've got about 6 minutes before 7, so, and then we'll start. Alrighty.
Videos. Let's see, no. We're live.
Wants to puke all over the place.
There it is.
You see it?
I believe so. Let's see. 5 minutes ago.
Is
Yeah,
this?
I see you shaking paint.
Oh, are you? Excellent. It is live then. Cool. Oh, there's the lab. Moaning.
I'm not seeing anybody commenting or anything.
Just you on. It says 1 viewer, so. I'm a bit early still.
Mm-hmm.
Still a bit early. Oh. Alright.
There you go. I just sent the heart your way.
Excellent.
You didn't even see it.
Aw. I'll look for it in a minute, dear. Okay.
So there's nobody else on. I thought there was somebody named Daryl.
There was, yeah. He disappeared. Looks like just you're up top. Okay. I'm waiting for my mom to get on here.
Mm-hmm.
And my nephew Hunter.
But I gotta back out
Okay.
for a bit.
Oh, somebody else is on. Nope.
Yep. Says 2.
Okay. Says there's 2.
Because I have that drop, the auction thing at 7:30.
Ah, yeah.
And I just know somebody's going to try to beat me by $1.
$1. $1. 2 people. Come on, people. Time to sling some paint. I'll share that one to the story and see what's, get people interested. Time, well, we're right at 7. Here we go.
No. Is it 7?
According to my tablet, it is. All right. 2 people.
Mm-hmm. 1.
Fact 1.
Whoop. 3.
3. Whoopee. It's really lagging, so I'm not able to read the comments in live time.
It's not lagging here.
Yeah, must be just weird.
Oh, wait a minute. You didn't just adjust your glasses, so I'm a little behind.
Yeah, just a little bit.
You're just kind of staring at the camera right
Oh, my, I am now.
now.
Well, I am a boring, boring person. What are we supposed to talk about? Paint colors? Can do that.
Go ahead. Oh, one.
Pardon?
Just me here.
Oh. All right. We'll do that in a bit. So tonight I've decided that I'm going to paint a wave, a giant surfer wave with the sky behind. So we'll see how it turns out. My great-nephew Hunter is the one that really wants to see this wave, so I'm just waiting for him to jump on here.
If he remembers.
He should. And anybody can see that? That's a whale. Anybody else has any thing that they'd like to see me do in a different live video, then feel free to shoot me a line here and I'll do my best to figure out a way to do it. You know, my tablet looks like I'm a demon. That's not good.
No. You just pointed at it and said, it's a whale.
Oh, you just got it.
Okay. I started later.
Oh. All right. So I'll see.
So when you start it, when you come onto it after the fact,
yeah,
it starts right from the beginning.
Oh, does it? Good to know.
So the best way of beating that, you turn it off and then come back
on. Back to one viewer.
I'm watching you, babe.
Alrighty.
You said you added to your story.
Yeah, I just put it.
I just got the notification that you did that.
Oh, really?
But you're not freezing up.
No. It's just hard to read a live notification when they're off my tablet. All right, well, I think we're going to get going here. It's already 5 after 7, so maybe people will watch it later if they want.
Did you get a comment?
Not on there yet.
Oh, come on. I went and gave you a comment.
Woo! I am popular.
Is it still not there?
Yeah, it's there. I see it there now. All right. So, I'm going to begin and let everybody know that I'm doing a wave rate, like a large surfer wave almost. I've seen them done a number of different ways. Tonight I'm going to do a swipe. So it'll be multiple different colors on the canvas, and then I'll be swiping the colors through each other to create the depth and the consistency of the blues, because I really want really pretty blues. So on tonight's, what I've decided to do is just use an array of blues, metallics. I'm not going to use any silicone tonight, because I think the metallic that I've got is going to go ahead and make them all on their own. I think that's about it that I need to say. I'm going to put this over here so I don't get paint all over it. Over there a little bit more.
2.
Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, I gotta get my smock on. So, my mom, I was telling her that I really needed some aprons, and my mom threw this idea out there. Why don't I just take a dollar store tablecloth? So that's what we did. And Rick cut it up, measured it all up, and that way it will protect my clothes, but I can still wash it off. So, here we go. So back, I'm going to just do whoop. Back over here and point you down.
Just put the apron on.
Okay. So read to me any comments that are coming in, please. I can't do both. This one is on but frozen, and the other one's pointed down right now. Okay, here we go. Again, I've not tried this one before, so this was some extra paint that I just had here that it needs to be used up, so that's why I'm using it. Waste not, want not. All right. kind of wanted a sunset blue for the sky here, so that's why I went with this one. As far as a color code, it's just a couple of different colors that I mixed in here just to make this pretty blue. I'm good that way. And so I'm going to start with his metallic for the bottom, or what I like to call the wave. Again, that's a metallic blue. I'm going to add some white for some contrast and to make all the different shades of blue, which I'm after. I'm going to do with a sky blue here.
No comments, huh?
No comments? Everybody say hi! Let me know you're here.
4 people.
This is a brilliant blue, which anybody knows me knows that my favorite color is blue.
No,
Always has been, always will. This is a turquoise, which is important for when you're dealing with the sea. And so that was, and this is a light turquoise, and I'm going to go sparingly with this because I don't want those colors to take over. I just want a little bit here and a little bit there. So I'm going to go with the, I'm going to come across here like this. I'm going to come up like this. And a little bit of white in there just to make the little bit of greenish blue. And I'm going to go with all right, so this is what I have in mind. It's important that all of the canvas is covered.
Donna Ferguson. I can't wait to see it finish.
Awesome. Should be pretty. I love the blues. So I'm just going to do is I'm just going to do this and make sure all of my canvas is covered. Move some of my paint out of the way so I don't paint my bottles and the canvas. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I've got enough over here to put these over here for now in case I need them. I don't think I will, but you just never know. A little bit more of that. Okay. We're ready to go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a number of different things, including my palette knife that I just got paint all over. Whoopee! And I'm going to do some swipes. There is no right way or wrong way to do this. It's all in the interpretation, I guess. But to me it looks like Big Surfer wave. Let's go with a smaller one here. Aren't those colors beautiful? Hey? So, essentially what I'm making is a... You guys see it already? Can you see the wave?
Mm-hmm.
I like how it looks like it's going to be crashing down upon itself.
Yeah.
In water?
That's what they do.
Yes, they do. Yep.
Down to 3.
So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to edit my edges. Which, easier said than done sometimes. Make sure that I've got enough on the canvas. Boy, there's a lot of beautiful colors in here. I think I might need just a touch more dark blue in here, but what's everybody think? Dark blue or leave as is? Hmm?
Now down to 4. Put up 5.
Cool. Get my palette knife back out.
I don't think they're getting it blind.
No. I wonder if it's the internet.
No, it's, if you come on late and you click on it, you get it from the very beginning.
Oh, so they have to go back and forth. Okay.
So they're starting right at the very
Oh.
beginning when you first turn it on.
Uh-huh. What? Oh. Yeah. Well, this is totally awesome. It's turned out exactly the way I wanted it. Odd. It's usually never the way I picture it. Okay. I think I'm going to get rid of this. If I can. It's funny how against that blue, that sky looks purple. That's cool. All right. I think that's it. I think I'm going to leave that as it is. Maybe a little bit of there. It looks like it's kind of falling down. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. I have a bad habit of messing with it and then not knowing when to quit. So I think I'm done with this one. So that's it for our live demonstration this evening. You'll be able to, I'll post it so you'll be able to watch it. And if you haven't found out yet, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. So I'd love to see us come by and have a peek and see what I'm doing, what I can dream up to do, and let me know if there's anything that I can make for you. Okay, this one is going to be for sale. It takes about a week to cure, maybe a little more depending on the paint consistency, which is quite thick. But when it's dry and I've sealed it and it's ready, you'll see it posted alongside this video on all of our site.
Donna.
Oh, I have a comment?
Yeah, Donna said, looks great.
Oh, thanks, Donna. Appreciate that. So yeah, but thanks very much for joining me, us, and we'll see what else I can come up with. Okay? Thanks. Bye.